Hello everyone, my name is Gautam and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to solve the mystery of Agastya Samhita. Agastya Samhita was written by the great Agastya saint. Agastya Samhita clearly mentions how to make a battery, but battery was invented in 1800s while Agastya Samhita is 2000 years ago. To know about this, everything what's written in the Agastya Samhita, for that we need to get into our channel. In one of the sloka of the Agastya Samhita, it says like this: Sanstapya mrinmaya patre tamrapatram susamkritam chadye chikagriva chartarbihi kashtapansubihi tashtalosto nidatavya partachadistasta sanjayte tejo mritavarun sangitam. This means that first you need to take a earthen pot and insert a copper plate into it. After you insert, you need to put some sawdust into that. After you do that, you need to fill everything with the peacock's neck. Yes, you need to fill it with the peacock's neck. You heard the right. But why should you fill it with the peacock's neck? Why will the Agastya saint say us to kill a peacock to have the battery? So what's inside it? If you think deeply, then you will get the answer as the copper sulfate, because the copper sulfate's color exactly matches the peacock's neck. So you need to fill the copper sulfate. After doing all this, you need to do one last thing, which is you need to insert an amalgamated zinc sheet. After doing all this, electricity will be generated. But wait, for what purpose should the electricity be produced so that they can use it? Because we have refrigerator, television and all, but they don't have anything. So for what purpose should the electricity be used? Might be bulb. Yes, you heard the right. It's the bulb. They used electricity to lighten the bulb. Here are some proofs which prove that the electricity was used to lighten the bulb. If you see the Kailashnath temple properly, it is only built with one giant rock. So, if they should, sculpture everything, they are not gonna sculpture very properly because it would be so much dark while doing that. And in that darkness, if you have fire also, it's not gonna be matter because fire always blinks. In that light, no one can sculpture that perfectly. But looks like they had a constant light which made them easy to sculpture. If you don't believe in this, then if they use the fire, then the carbon released from the fire would go to the ceilings and never go off. It would stay in the ceilings. But nothing. We are not gonna see anything like that in that. So definitely they use the Agastya Samhita technology to lighten it. In so many places of India, archaeologists found so many giant earthen pots inserted with a copper plate, and after radiocarbon dating, they showed that this had a Agastya Samhita technology behind it. After that, the technology was adopted by the Egyptians. You can see in the carvings of the Egyptians that a wire was connected to a bulb, and the wire was given power supply by a pot. These are the proofs which says that they use the electricity for lightening the bulbs. If you say like, wow, how to believe? So for that I'm gonna give the answer in my other videos, Agastya Samhita 2. So in that I'm gonna prove that the Agastya Samhita technology is true by doing an experiment on this. This proves us that the ancients had a better technology, more advanced technology than us. This was the mystery behind the Agastya Samhita technology, and hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you have given a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for new really good videos like this one, and just share the video so that everyone can see, and just comment below on what topic should we make the videos on what kind of mystery should we make on. So for that you need to comment below, and if you have really enjoyed the video, you have to also enjoy the other last two videos of mine, the Secret of the Divine Number 108 and the Rahu Ketu mystery. If you have to watch them, then just click on the polls which are getting now on the screen. So if you also want to do videos like this and you have a YouTube channel, then I prefer Power Director, the best app for editing, and the link also has been given in the description. Go check it out. So bye friends.